Hey, what's going on, family? We are at Bo Kluea Village here in Nan. It's a village that not talked about as much, but they grow the salt here for all of the country of Thailand. So I'm going to show you guys around. Beautiful scenery. They do the salt bath over there. Okay. Apparently it's the only mountain in the world that produces salt. Interesting. I don't hear too many people talking about this place, so I'm just gonna do a quick walk through the village. Cóตัวหนักไหมไม่เป็นลมต้มเขามาดูได้รังไหนนะก่อนได้นะจ๊ะกูบิ่งไปหุ่นนี่แทบอีก You get something?
I'm gonna get like a salt.
Yeah, just regular salt?
No, it's a salt that they produce here. Oh, my bad. It's not even 200 years. It's 800 years.
Oh wow. The mountain or the place, the village. So it's like 800 years they've been to produce salt here. We're gonna walk back. There's that bridge that we just crossed. Guys, a nice piece of history to be able to visit. 800 years they've been producing salt here in this mountain. So I just want to take you through the little market that they have over there. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoy this type of content. See you guys in the next one. Take care.